Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So check out these easy, delicious candied yams that I made. This will be part one of a two-part video where I'm showing you guys two ways to make sweet potatoes. So to learn how I made these, keep watching. So I have a pretty large amount of potatoes here. We love sweet potatoes in my house. I'm only going to be using about 3 large sweet potatoes for this recipe. Now I like to peel my potatoes first, and I'm using a potato peeler, but you can use a knife or just whatever you have. Afterwards, I like to rinse and then go back in with a paring knife and just cut off any little brown specks. I'm cutting my potatoes down into small slices here, not too thick, not too thin. Y'all, I have this thing with over rinsing my produce. I do it all the time, so I like to go back in and just re-rinse my sweet potatoes. These are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, pure vanilla extract, butter, white and brown sugar. I normally eyeball my ingredients anytime I'm making candy yams, but for this video I am going to measure out the ingredients. So I'm going to layer my baking dish with the sweet potatoes. Next I'll be adding in the brown sugar, white sugar, the vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and butter. And I'm just going to repeat those steps in that same fashion. There are multiple ways to make candy yams. I've actually made candy yams many different ways. I've made them on the stovetop, but I just find that this way that I'm showing you guys, it tastes better and it's much easier. Also for this recipe, I will not be adding any water to this dish. Adding water is really not necessary because the sugar, butter, and the juices from the sweet potatoes itself will create its own liquid, so no water is necessary. So the amount that I guesstimated for the sugar actually was quite correct. As you can see, I've used up all of the brown sugar, which was a ½ cup, and I've used up most of the white sugar minus about a tablespoon. For the butter, I used 8 tablespoons. Now, you guys, the full recipe, I'll also link that down below. So check out this close-up. So now this is ready for the oven, and if you don't have a glass lid, just make sure that you cover this with some aluminum foil. So now this is all done. The total cook time was about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And yeah, these were so super duper delicious. And like I said, this is part one of my, little two-part video where I'm showing you guys two very easy ways to make sweet potatoes. So stay tuned as I will be showing you guys the healthier option for sweet potato lovers just like myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Calling me a liar, trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you.
So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head.